Greetings, family and friends. Today, I want to speak to you about another serious matter: landlord and tenant laws. About 1 in 5 Colorado respondents have slight or no confidence they can make the next month rent, according to U.S. Census Survey data. A new state law that takes effect Friday confers 7 new rights upon renters. Here are the main charges brought by this law in Colorado. Many states are similar. Number 1, landlord can no longer initiate conviction proceedings against a tenant solely due to a tenant not paying fees. If a landlord filed for eviction due to non-payment, but the tenant come up with the full amount owed before a court sign off on the eviction, the landlord must accept the money and the eviction is canceled. Previously, there's been a 10-day cure period for tenants to resolve outstanding debt, but now there is no particular deadlines. Colorado will no longer allow eviction hearings on the same day a landlord files an eviction. Renters are guaranteed at least 1 week between filing and hearing. Late fees are capped at 50% of 5% of a tenant's outstanding rent balance, whichever is higher. Landlord can assess the fees only once per late payment. Previously, they have been allowed to charge unlimited fees for every day of missed rent. Landlord must now wait 7 calendar days after rent is due to charge a late fee. Landlords are prevented from raising rent more than once a year. A tenant without a written rental agreement must get 60 days written notice before rent is hiked. Renters can recover financial damages if they are illegally locked or wrongly evicted by their landlords. Landlord can't charge a late fee unless payment is at least 7 days late. A tenant without a written agreement must get 60 days written notice before rent is hiked. No late fee can be more than $50 a month or 5% of monthly rental, whichever is more. Tenants can respond in court anytime on the day of that response. I repeat, tenants can respond in court at any time on the day their response is due, and the court must set the trial for 7-10 days later. Tenants can claim a breach of the Colorado warrant habituality statute. For example, if a house has a pest infectant, toxic mold, or an essential appliance that does not work, and the judge can reduce the amount of rent owed to the landlord. Renters can pay old rent to stop the eviction before a judge makes a decision. The document that allows the sheriff to actually remove a tenant from property cannot come until 48 hours after the judgment, and the sheriff can't execute it until at least 10 days after the judgment is entered. Landlord must now wait 7 calendar days after rent is due to charge a late fee. Landlord can no longer initiate eviction proceeding against a tenant solely due to a tenant not paying late fees. For these and other landlord-tenant questions, I'm your guy. I'm a retired real estate broker, owner for over 25 years in the business. My information is in my profile. Feel free to call me for any questions. Thank you. Peace out.